YouTube Wagwan, man. It's your boy Clicked, and you're tuned into Click React. Today, we're just gonna be looking over the stream that Kai had that 21 Savage jumped on. It seemed pretty lit. I seen it going around a lot, so I'm just gonna be watching it over because I didn't get to catch it live. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, comment. We're dropping videos daily, so you don't want to miss out, man. It's fire. You know what I'm saying? It's fire. We're just kicking it and shit. So just gonna get right into it, man. I appreciate you guys for watching. Peace. It's actually crazy to me that this guy, has all the biggest rappers on his stream and shit, man.
Crazy, bro.
Come out to come back.
They
You gotta watch it though.
They were talking about Aiden getting swatted here, I guess.
Don't come back, bro.
The cops still not there.
I want to call Jet again.
Yo, I don't understand how some men's are. How is Aiden on his knees with his hand behind his head? This guy's on his knees. These guys are sitting down like nothing's going on. What's going on here, man?
It's gonna take a little minute too. Hopefully everything goes good with Aiden and shit like that. You feel what I'm saying?
Oh wait, so Aiden got swatted again recently then? Because I don't think that was the old swatting. Wow. So unlucky with that.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. You cannot be streaming.
Camera, though.
Exactly. You cannot
like
be.
webcam.
Oh no, you gotta throw that away.
That ain't gonna work.
That's not gonna work. You gotta be.
I too recently made that switch, man, to the DSLR, man. It is wonderful over here.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. You have to.
I got the bigger one though.
Right here. I definitely do need a bigger one of the stream deck. I'm not gonna lie, but you need a monitor, and a PC, bro.
Kai can't get a different chair though. Like, what's going on with that taped up chair? But I feel you. It's been with you since day one. It's like memorabilia type of thing.
That's what you need. But I'm not gonna lie. You feel what I'm saying? Yo, chat. We got 10,000 pot
Crazy.
on this 2K, which he done made a mistake with because I'm not gonna lie.
They put 10,000. Oh shit,
Yeah,
21.
It's a pot. Like
So you gonna do 10 now?
No, like five.
5 and
so
5,
the,
10.
The total.
No, nigga, it was 5,000 for best out of 3.
Exactly. Meaning that like if I lose.
Oh, you saying because we both been.
Yeah.
21. You ain't added the math up, man. It's close to.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
man.
feel what I'm saying?
That boy was doing a lot of math on her
So,
loss.
I'm saying I ain't gonna lie, and I asked the Magic 8 Ball, the Magic 8 Ball said I'm gonna win both games.
Sure.
They said, wait, what? Wait, what? What are we laughing about? What are we laughing about? Wait, is he nice? From 1 through 10, what would you say?
I like him, Louis.
Cause that's your man's. You saying you gonna pick him because that's your man's, which is understandable. You feel what I'm saying? But I've been playing 2K. Look, y'all don't even got this yet.
What is that?
You don't got this.
I'm saying you play
I don't
2K.
download,
You play
man.
2K from when you wake up.
What?
No.
Oh, this the special version?
Zoom out. I'll zoom out.
It's the special version?
Yeah.
Zoom out.
I don't want his face on there.
Okay, hold on. You might be a little zoom.
Man said he ain't camera appropriate.
That should be better. I bet that's a special version.
Which one? Let me see.
J. Cole on it.
Ah, bro, it's a J. Cole. Yeah.
Nigga acting like he playing on Xbox and PlayStation. Stop it.
I got the J. Cole, I got the
But you don't got the disc though.
Who the hell needs a disc?
Wait, chat. Is the J. Cole one? Is the J. Cole one like?
It's probably on the
Is it on? Is it digital? Nah.
Who cares?
Yeah. I'm probably the first person. What happened to Aiden? Oh my God, y'all going Aiden crazy. What happened?
What?
I bet. Okay, so I had to
They
address
were in.
something real quick.
They were in and out of the stream.
Make sure you can see my earring.
Oh yeah.
There's some big ass rocks, bro.
Okay. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. You said that you can do a versus with anybody.
Yeah.
On
Yeah.
the freshman cipher.
21.
Those people include Uzi, Yachty. Who else? Who else is on there?
Jesus Christ.
You ain't beating Jesus Christ now, 21. Let's be real.
Wait, what?
Let's be real.
What? Now I don't think you can outverse Michael Jackson, bro. Michael Jackson the GOAT. You feel what I'm saying?
He's just trolling at this
I
point.
think a good matchup though will be you and Uzi.
Yeah, for sure.
I think you and Uzi, but would you think
Does Uzi have bars like that? I don't really listen to Uzi, so I ain't hating or nothing. But does he have bars like that?
you like winning overall?
Yeah, depending on the crowd, yeah, for sure. Because Uzi got
And I'll give him that. Depending on the crowd, like if it's mostly a certain artist, you know what I'm saying? But if you put somebody that's neutral that don't know both of them, you don't know.
It just depends how I play it, how I go though, you know?
Yeah.
He acting like I don't got that shit. That's what be the problem. Like, be forgetting. I don't know what niggas be thinking. Before all this Drake, I've been having hits. Been
He
having
did. He
diamonds.
did. I agree. I agree.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
probably the only nigga of this generation to go platinum with no features.
You think?
Because they always talking about, oh, Savage a feature artist. No, Savage went platinum before with no features. My first album.
Talk your
this
shit.
album went
Okay.
platinum with no features.
Okay. I got a question. Okay, so do you think Uzi would say that you got that over him?
Nobody would say that.
I don't expect nobody to say that.
Yeah, nobody would say that, Brody.
Uzi better say he'll smoke me, and Kodak better say he'll smoke me too.
I'm gonna call Uzi.
And Yachty. And
Yo, that's so crazy to me that this man has everybody's number on speed dial like that.
Yeah.
Wait, her was on? No.
Her was on that cover with us. A Boogie was on there.
Hey, Boogie fell off though.
No, I'm saying the cover. That freshman cover.
Not the cipher. Right?
I'm talking about the cover.
I'm talking about the cover where everybody was on.
The
it.
magazine.
Yeah.
The magazine.
I mean, that's the
my
list,
God.
right?
A Boogie, Uzi. Yeah, I want to see. I ain't gonna lie. I would want to see a you and Uzi go back to back
Why you keep saying Uzi?
in the verse.
Their fans are completely different too.
Let me call Uzi real quick.
He gonna say he ain't gonna do it with you. That's my brother, bro.
That's my brother, bro.
That's little bro.
Little bro. That really
Little
okay.
bro.
I see you, 2121.
Come on, don't ego me, bro.
See, Uzi don't give a fuck about all that shit. Uzi rich.
He really don't.
Yo, don't ego me, Uzi.
What the hell ego mean?
That mean like he not picking up.
Cause he got an ego?
No, I'm just saying like we just call it on Twitch. On Twitch, like when somebody
Like,
don't do
ignore.
something, yeah, like ego. Come on.
Yo, is 21 high right now?
See, there we go. Okay, I got a question. So look, you obviously want to get into streaming.
Yeah.
Chat, you want to get into
Oh,
streaming?
I didn't know that.
Turn-
That's a
turn the
dope.
mic up.
I'll definitely tune into
Yeah, the Yeti. Yeah,
That's
hell
man,
yeah.
yo, honestly,
so
Savage,
you wanna
21 Savages, they're learning,
Get
bro.
into streaming, right? What you want to stream though?
2K.
2K?
Uzi
Oh,
coming
that-
back.
That would be a funny ass stream.
That nigga picked him
That
up.
boy trolling.
Bro, don't do that, bro. 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 Okay,
Yeah,
this
shit,
is
Uzi
why I'm gonna blow him out in 2K, bro. This is why I'm gonna blow him out, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. You're finished. You're
Hey, this
finished.
nigga sent with his leg cross.
Yo!
Drop the camera.
Yo!
You get exposed
Hold
to
on.
bad like that
Hold
on
on,
the
Jack.
stream, bro.
Man, that camera heavy as a motherfucker.
I bet. Hold on.
That's
I
actually
gotta
so
speed it.
funny.
That nigga was just
Bro, what's wrong with sitting with my legs crossed, bro?
Stop
his
it.
leg, crisscross, applesauce.
Boy, you know what's wrong.
Chat, let me tweak this real quick.
I ain't break it, dude.
Nah, hell no, bro.
He's good, 21. Just trade your rollie for that.
Felt mad times.
Oh, these cameras are actually expensive as fuck,
That's
though.
the same camera that you use to shoot videos.
Oh, this is the same camera I use to record all my YouTube videos. Hey, technician car. There we go.
That shit-
There we go.
I'm not gonna lie, this
Yo,
camera's
I got
clean,
scared.
man.
I thought I fucked your shit.
I'm scared.
How much that camera go?
5,000. What you about to pay me?
So you would have made it
I'm
back
gonna-
anyway.
Yo, chat, look.
Anyway.
I'm gonna beat him in 2K. Take his breading and buy him a camera for his setup.
Yeah.
Oh my
Nice guy.
gosh,
Nice guy.
that'll be crazy.
Nah, look, the viewers just went crazy.
Yeah, hell yeah. What's it called? Wait,
Cam.
What's the most you done had on here?
the most I done had on here was what's the most I done had on here? 240, 240,
240,000?
250,
Y'all gotta get 250,
Bro, that's crazy.
240, 250. Yeah, 250. I feel like it'll grow crazy. With like
The features?
over time. I mean, if you want to
Fuck,
tweet it, you can
man.
tweet it. You feel what I'm saying? That's really right. W21. You feel what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
You
21
could-
Savage is like a cool guy, bro.
You feel what
No-
I'm saying? But
no
I mean,
bat.
I'm still going live too.